Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and we are going to learn German with music. And today we have another song, and I think most people know the band Rammstein. It's quite famous in the whole world, and the song of today is Du hast. And it's from 1997. Okay, so now I will give you some short information about the song, and then I explain you how you can use the song to improve your German. So first of all, we have a picture here. This is the band, because it's actually a band of several people, and we are seeing here 6 people. And they are from Germany actually. They sing in German, but they are quite famous in the whole world. So they actually live in Berlin, and the band was founded in 1994, and the music they play, it's metal. Okay, so quite strong music, no, not everyone's favor, but quite successful worldwide. Because I think, in my opinion, it's not just because of the music and about the songs. It's because in their concerts they use flames, no? They use explosions, and this kind of pyrotechnics, no, made them what they are. Okay, and therefore I guess they are a little bit more successful internationally than in Germany. Okay, because I don't know many people they listen to Rammstein at home. Okay. And they are so successful, they actually were nominated for a Grammy in 1999. They didn't get it because I think Metallica got the award, but they were nominated, so that's a strong thing. So what do you learn with this song? Okay, obviously everybody knows the text is not so advanced, but it shows us something. Because we'll see how to construct the perfect tense, so for telling something in past tense. In the text we have an important question for life. Okay, so you will learn an important question for life, and in total we have 36 words, 36 Wörter. And we will see a little bit how to build a question, so how to construct Frage. Okay, so what is my favorite part of the song? Okay, that's quite easy, because actually also the title, because it says Du hast. And I guess not everybody knows, but this has a double sense. It could be, when we write it with 2 S, Du hast, it means you hate. But when you write it just with 1 S, Du hast, it means you have. Okay, so it sounds similar, it sounds the same, so it has a double sense, no? And so they play with this double sense in the song, so quite interesting, and if you listen to it you will see it as well. So here are 3 more songs from Rammstein. They are quite famous. One of them is Mutter, mother, Engel, angel, and the last one, mein Teil, my part. Okay, so quite short titles, but it's a little bit how the music works of Rammstein. Okay, so now the question is, how can we use this song to improve our German? Okay, in my course, first of all, you try to sing the song by seeing and watching the original video. But then you do it again by watching a video with the lyrics. Okay, so first of all you try to sing it, but then you actually practice actively on Quizlet all the lyrics, so until you master everything 100%, and then actually when you mastered everything you can enjoy the song everywhere and everywhere you want. Now you can sing it in the car, in the party, everywhere. Okay, so thank you very much for watching the video, and if you have any ideas for another song to learn German, please share this song to me, and I try to add this song to my course. Okay, that's all for today. I see you soon, and now enjoy this song.